How do I keep a deal together when interest rates keep increasing? This is a serious concern among agents I've spoken with lately. I have 3 pieces of advice that you can give to your buyers to show them why you shouldn't wait to buy a home. So the first thing is waiting a few months to buy may lead to waiting a few years. A small rate hike keeps many buyers from qualifying for a mortgage. Some of these buyers have such a tight debt to income ratio for mortgage qualification that $50 can send their ratio into a non-qualifying status. Just a 0.25% increase can result in losing financing on a purchase. The next thing is there's no way to know when or if rates will drop. Interest rates can be hard to predict. However, looking at the past trends, rates probably won't be declining again for a while. The sooner a buyer can lock in their interest rate, the better. Lastly, there are some rate buy down programs you can negotiate in the deal with the seller. Or you can explore down payment assistance programs. Traditionally, down payment assistance programs were meant to help first-time home buyers and those with lower income access to home ownership. Many of these programs still have requirements that must be met to receive the funds. However, given how tight and tough the housing market currently is, your clients may want to investigate whether or not they qualify. There are also some rate buy down programs you can negotiate, rate buy down programs that you can get from your lender as well by making a deal, adding closing costs, etc. So if you need help, have any questions, please DM me, contact me, text me. I'm here to help.